Hello guys, welcome to weekly outlook here on gold, the pound USD, the USDCAD, and the DXY. And quickly, what I'm anticipating going into this new week, it's Sunday and happy Easter. What I'm anticipating going forward is simple. I'll just run it through 4 hours time frame here on the gold. What I'm anticipating is a pullback to pick up orders, give me a structure here, probably pick up orders all the way to 1985, or just reject this region, but I need more like a double bottom formation before I continue. Anticipation is for a retest of 2030, make a new high at 2040, and then for the long term we'll be anticipating price to come into the regions of 2060. Otherwise, if we can actually, with the CPI coming forward, we can actually get something like this, a break back into this region, form like a head and shoulder pattern, and we'll see price retest this region most probably, and even come down to this region. Depends on what we're going to be seeing. Otherwise, what we'll just get is a pick of orders, like price to pick up orders around this region, price coming to these regions and pick up orders and head to 2060. So these are the basic two things we might be anticipating on gold going forward this week. All right. For the pound USD is more like the gold. What I'm anticipating here is for price to actually reject these regions here, these ones we've seen here, and then continue, a bullish move around that region. Otherwise, we might just get price to actually maybe break this region, create more like a pullback here, and then we might actually see price continue to the downside. Well, my best bet is for price to continue to the upside, since we're breaking through this very strong resistant region, and then we're coming back for support, and we're coming back to create support and retesting this region. So the most important thing here is for price to continue to the upside. Over here on the 1 hour time frame, we could actually see price actually hitting these regions. Maybe a market open, we might just come back here to create a double bottom, retesting this upward trend line, 1, 2, 3, a touch of it, and then we'll continue to the upside, and maybe even breaking a downward trend line here. Okay, break that and then create a new structure, and we'll continue to the upside. That's basically that on pound USD. On USDCAD, good structure here. We're breaking below this structure, the support region here at 135.20 regions. We've seen price come back, make a new low, coming back here to retest this region. So my best bet here is for price to continue to the downside from here. Be that as it may, I'm currently in this trade from last week, and I'm still holding. I'm expecting price to currently come back to these regions and probably break it and continue to create a new low. Otherwise, we might just get stopped out. Probably price we want to create something like this and continue to the downside, or we could continue all the way to come retest this regions of 1.36 of 50. There's a possibility there. Yeah, there's a possibility there. That would just be a pullback of these regions here. A pullback of these regions to 61.8. There's a possibility there. Otherwise, we'll just see price just reject here and create a new low. All right, so that's basically that on USDCAD. And then finally on the DXY has currently started creating, we've seen that bearish structure, lower lows, lower highs, and then currently we've seen price rejecting this region. So I'm anticipating price to create a new low, probably retesting 101 and then 100.50 regions. All right, so but if price breaks above this 102.20 regions, and maybe start creating a new structure, breaking above, breaking this downward trend line, then we might actually just see price probably create something like this. Create something like this, retest, and then come back to these regions here. And from that region, we might just anticipate price to probably continue to the downside, or we could just continue to the upside, depending on whichever way the DXY moves by then. All right, but for now, just pretty much anticipating price to actually just do this and continue to the downside. Sorry, that's not it. So my anticipation for the week for DXY is price to just maybe fake out or just directly continue from the downside, and that's it. So that's basically that for the DXY. So I'll see you guys, and on Friday for weekly recap, and let's see how this week will go. I hope you back some pips. Enjoy the week. Ciao.